Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are just some of the exciting features found on many 2020 Kia vehicles, so follow along as we go over this easy setup and get you connected. First, make sure your phone meets the basic requirements. For Android users, you need to be on Marshmallow 6.0 or higher and have the Android Auto app downloaded on your phone. For iPhones, no app is required, but you'll need a 6S or later. Of course, it's always recommended to use the latest version of software, and don't forget to grab a USB or Lightning cable, but don't plug it into your vehicle's aux or USB port just yet. On your display panel, press the Setup hard key to begin. Select the phone projection or device connection button on the touchscreen, and select either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, then hit Yes to enable. Now connect your phone using the cable, and you're all set. If you encounter an issue, you can try some troubleshooting tips. Make sure the cable is properly plugged in. You want to see the charging icon show up on your phone, so disconnect and reconnect the cable if you must. Or you just may need to use a different cable altogether. You can also try cleaning out any lint or debris that may be stuck in the phone's charging port, or try restarting the phone. Some Android users may receive an error message saying Android Auto cannot connect right now. If so, confirm that your phone is allowing data transfer. While still connected, swipe down your notification bar and make sure your phone says it's charging via USB. Tap that notification and select File Transfer and try the process again. Lastly, another troubleshooting tip is to clear the cache and storage for the Android Auto app. The official help guide also adds to try the same for the Google app and Google Play Services app. If you're still having issues, there might be something physically wrong with the devices, ports, or cable. Hope that helps you get set up in your Kia. Check out the rest of our videos for other useful tips and tricks.